Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can install WebIIS server on Windows Server 2022 using PowerShell script in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on virtual machines. Now click on create and then click on virtual machine. In resource group, click on drop down menu and choose your resource group. In virtual machine name, give any meaningful name. In region, default region is good for our testing purpose. In image, you can choose Windows Server 2022. Then scroll down to username. Here provide any username and give any password. In inbound port rules, we need HTTP port for our WebIIS server. For this, click on inbound ports and choose HTTP. Scroll down to the bottom and click on next. We do not need any additional storage. For this, click next. We are going with our default network settings. Click next. Here we do not need any extra management, so click next. Here in extensions, we need to add our PowerShell script for WebIIS server. Here we have one PowerShell script with the name of WebIIS.ps1. In first line, we are installing WebIIS services on our server. In second line, we are creating our custom page with the name of index.html, and this will display welcome to OneMinuteLab easy learning. We need to upload this PowerShell script here by using extensions. For this, click on select an extension to install. Here we have multiple extensions from where we can upload our script. Scroll down to custom script extension, click on it and then click on next. Here we need to upload our script file. For this, click on browse. Here we need storage account to upload our script. If we do not have any storage account in Azure, so first we need to create any storage account. For this, click on storage account, give any name. After providing name, click OK. As you can see, our storage account is created successfully. Now click on our storage account, which is WebIIS. Now first of all, here we need to create any container. For this, click on container and give any name and click on create. As you can see, our container is created successfully. Now open this container and here upload our script file. For this, click on upload, click on select file. Here we have script. Choose our script and click on open, then click on upload. As you can see, our WebIIS script is uploaded successfully. Now click on this script and then click on select. As you can see, our WebIIS.ps1 file is selected. Now click on create and then click on next. Here in name, type name and value, type any meaningful name for your web server, then click on next. As you can see, our validation passed successfully. Now click on create. As you can see, our deployment is in progress. Here it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, our deployment is completed successfully. Now click on go to resource. Here in essentials, copy this public IP address and open this IP address in new tab. Here you can see welcome to OneMinuteLab easy learn. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.